how to download Summertime Saga on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser on your Android device because this game is not available on your Play Store. After that, simply search for Summertime Saga on your browser and then select this option of download, and it will open up this way. Now you would get two options, the first one being the stable one and the second one being the preview one. As it says that if you want to experience the most content on Summertime Saga that you can find on it, just simply go with the stable one. But if you want to experience the HD 16:9 art and optimized engine, then just go with the preview one. And you can also see all the different things that you can find in this particular version and the different things that you can find in this one. It all depends on you, and simply download it and you would be able to find it on your download section, then install it, and this way you would be able to play Summertime Saga on your Android device. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.